So if you've got a mid to late 2000s Acura product, whether it's an RL, a TL, TLX, TSX, MDX, anything that has the Bluetooth capable hands-free calling mode, and you get in your car and you can't figure out why the battery won't start, or it just seems like it's cranking slow. A lot of these cars are plagued with the Bluetooth headset, like the module itself goes bad and it causes the battery to be drained, so it's parasitic battery loss. And I couldn't figure out for a long time what was wrong with the car. I replaced a battery. I took this thing into Greg's Japanese Auto, which is a local service center shop, and they did a alternator test. I thought maybe the alternator was bad. That turned out to be fine. They did a battery test. The battery was fine. I replaced the battery anyway. Car was fine for like about 6 weeks, and now this battery, when it's cold in the morning, won't start the car. So if you have had the same problem and you can't figure out what the issue is, it's the module, and we'll take a look at that. So here's the paperwork just showing that I took this thing in and had them do the battery test for the parasitic loss, and they couldn't figure really anything out that was causing the power to draw because it's such a small amount. And the issue is if this thing sits longer than about a day, say it's like a Friday night, you come home on the weekend and you try to start the car Sunday morning, it'll have too much power loss over that amount of time, which causes an issue. If my wife drives her car to work and starts it the same day after working an 8-hour shift, it starts just fine. The module is located in the back seat underneath the center console, so you can just pop that open. And you can see this seam line right here. If you just give it a nice firm pull, you can pop it out. And the module, once they fail and go bad, that's causing that loss is this guy here. And you can replace it through the Honda or Acura dealership, and it's about a $200 part. This car is kind of old, it's 2009, so we don't even use the hands-free anymore, so it's not a feature that we care about having that Bluetooth connection, because it's just an outdated technology by now. So it's 2020, we just use our cell phone with the Bluetooth headset. So yeah, we'll go ahead and unplug that guy there. So I got the plug out. And I'm just going to tuck it back and out of the way on the side here. That's it. Click this all back together, and we're done. Well, I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, give me a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to the channel. And thanks for watching the video. I'll see you next time.